Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. So in this lesson, we will be seeing an example of record trigger flow in Salesforce. So in the previous lesson, we have to learn create a post to chatter using the action. So in this example, we will be see if record is created of lead, then create a post to chatter using the record trigger flow. So here we will be using the feed item object to create a postage chatter record. So let's jump to the my Salesforce credential org. See my Salesforce credential org. Here they create a new flow. So I'm clicking to button to create a new flow. After that, I am selecting record trigger flow, then create. Now the requirement is if lead is created, then post to chatter will automatically create. So I am selecting lead here. A record is created. I am selecting this one. Condition. You can put a condition as per your business requirement. So here I am not putting any of the condition. Action and related record. I am selecting this option. Then done. I am changing the preform. After that, I will create a record element. So in the previous lesson, we used the action. So through action, I have created a record of post to chatter. But in this lesson, we will be create a record of post to chatter through create record element. So if you select create record an element, so before create a new record element, we need to create a variable for the passing the message. So new resource, I'm selecting text template, pass message through post to chatter. The API name is pass a message to post to chatter and body. Here I am selecting view as a plain text. So if you're creating a lead, some fields are mandatory. So if the last name, company name, and leader status. These fields are mandatory if you're creating a lead. So I will be passing the message in the chatter port. So in the variable, the detail are below to create newly lead. So here will be last name, company, and status. So last name will be record dot last name. Last name populate in the last name, then company, record dot company, and a status record dot status. This information will be displayed in the post of chatter record if it is created. Then done. Now I am creating a record of post to chatter. So create post chatter API name automatic populating. I am selecting one because I am creating one record. Use separate resource and return value. So if you selecting a use separate resource, then object name will be enable here. So we can use to create a object. So my requirement is here we will be using the feed item object to create a post to chatter. So I will select a feed item here. So here Object name will be feed item. Feed item. This one. So set field and value here. So this is the name of the field and this is the passing the value. So if you creating a post to chapter, there is a body. Body field is are mandatory. Body. So body will be passed. That I created a variable. I just created a pass message to post to chapter. This is a created variable. So value will be passed in the body from variable here. Then create a new fields. So in the post chapter, there is a parent ID field is a mandatory. So in the parent ID field mandatory, you will pass to record ID of lead. So record dot lead ID. So parent ID will be passing the value of record dot lead ID and done. Match the arrow. I am saving the flow post to chapter from lead. Post to chapter from the lead and save it. After save this flow, I am activating this flow. So activated has been successfully. Now I am creating a lead. So from lead, create a new lead. And here I am create Vijay Kumar, company name, take W3 Wave, and status I'm selecting working. Now save. The lead created successfully. Now go to the chatter. You can see one chatter has been created automatically whenever lead is created. Last name is Vijay Kumar. Last name is Kumar. Company name TechW3 Wave and status working. So friends, do in your side, in your personal org. If you getting anything issue, please write in comment box and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.